everyone, Kuya Weeds here. Today I have another video for you guys. Today I just have the one item, a hat. It's from week week 3. So yeah, I just got a hat and see what I got. So get one of these. This is it, guys. The mascot S logo fitted. Pretty cool. Yeah, you guys know it, but it does say Supreme all over. Spell it out. Still inside, I don't know if you want to see that. Got a 7 1/4. Gray underbrim. Let me just try this on head real quick. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on head, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I think that's it. I could just... Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.